Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to watch list daily top general loser here. Then you click in this sign. Then like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.